eastern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, northern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakewood Park, or over Atlanta, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Decatur, East Point, Forest Park, College Park, Morrow, Hapeville, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Belvedere Park, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Candler McAfee, Rex, Sweet Auburn, Lakewood Park, Conley, East Lake, Little Five Points, and Snapfinger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service